The revolution is not an apple that falls when it is ripe. You have to make it fall. I know you are here to kill me. Shoot, coward, you are only going to kill a man. Remember that the revolution is what is important, and each one of us alone is worth nothing. I have a wish. It is a fear as well, that in my end will be my beginning. Study hard so that you can master technology, which allows us to master nature. If you tremble with indignation at every injustice, then you are a comrade of mine. Silence is argument, carried out by other means. Passion is needed for any great work, and for the revolution, passion and audacity are required in big doses. Many will call me an adventurer, and that I am only one of a different sort, one of those who risks his skin to prove his platitudes. I am one of those people who believes that the solution to the world's problems is to be found behind the Iron Curtain. We cannot be sure of having something to live for unless we are willing to die for it. The only passion that guides me is for the truth. I look at everything from this point of view. Cruel leaders are replaced only to have new leaders turn cruel. It is unnecessary to say that Fidel Castro possesses the high qualities of a fighter and statesman. Our path, our struggle, and our triumph we owed to his vision.